Hey guys, it's Albert from Muffin Group. In this tutorial, I would like to show you the feature that might bring a lot of freshness in WooCommerce products presentation. Badges, like sale, new or custom. This is what this tutorial is all about. Without further ado, let's dive right in and take a look at this feature in detail. For this tutorial purpose, I used our newest Paint Store pre-built website. Let's start by explaining where badges for products come from, just to be clear. So, first one, sale, comes for products that are overpriced. If we look at product edit section, you will see two fields for prices, regular and sale. And if you have both prices set, it means your product is on sale, and in such case, WooCommerce assigns sale badge to that product. Of course, you can edit text for this badge globally under Theme Options, Shop General by changing the text for Sale Badge Labels field. Second badge is new, and this one is available for newly added products. Okay, but you're probably wondering what exactly a new product means and for how long a product can be considered new. Nothing easier. Under Theme Options, Shop General, you can enable an option that specifies how many days after a product is added it can be considered new. Third, and the last one, is Custom Badge. As the name says, you can make this badge to be anything you like. Let's say you want to mark product as Bestseller or maybe Customer's Choice. That's exactly what this option is for. Custom Badge can be set for each product individually. Let's edit a random product with the bee builder. Of course, same option you will find when editing product the old-fashioned way by clicking Edit on the products lists. And under Settings, Page Options, you will see Labels tab. Here you can set custom text for extra label field. For this specific product, I set user's choice, but like said, you can make it anything you like. Okay, since I have clarified the badges, let's move on to explaining where and how to display them. The first such place is the single product page. Here, badges are being displayed by default, but under the Style tab for Product Images element, we've added extra tab, Badge, where you can style badges by setting up left and top offset, changing colors for each badge separately, etc. As product which loads in my single product template have only sale badge, you won't see any other badges here. But if we open different product that has custom badge set, you will see that badge will be displayed with appropriate colors we set for the element in the template. By the way, if you didn't saw my tutorial about single product layout customization, I will leave you the link to the tutorial in the left top corner so you can watch it later. The other place where you can display badges for products is Shop page. And because for this demo we've used custom template as well, I have to go to template editing. As you noticed, Shop products element displayed badges by default as it's WooCommerce native functionality. But if we go to Style tab of Shop products element, you will notice plenty of settings for badges like padding, border, offset, colors and much more. And again, if you didn't have the chance to see my tutorial regarding custom shop templates, I encourage you to watch the tutorial by clicking the link in the left top corner as well. Okay, so far I've explained badges on single product pages and shop archive. You are probably wondering where else can I use these badges as well. The answer is very simple. You can use them in our powerful query loops where you can basically create whatever you like. If you don't know what query loops are and how to use them, I strongly encourage you to watch a tutorial about query loops by clicking the link in the left top corner, as this feature is extremely powerful and I'm pretty sure it will boost your productivity and creativity. So let's take a look at homepage of Paint Store, where I've already created several various sliders within Query Loop Builder. Top selling is where I loop products in wrap, and if you would like to display product image with badges here, all you have to do is set product image with badge dynamic data for the image link path. If you do so and switch to the Style tab of the image element, you will see additional Badge tab where again you can style badges as you like with all these built-in options mentioned before, like padding, position, colors, etc. If you thought that was all, well, I have bad news or maybe a good news. I've got something extra that might come in handy for your future products too. Let's say you have a product that you would like to stand out, maybe in a mega menu or just somewhere on the page, and you would like to display this specific product image with badges. For that, all you have to do is drag and drop image element, and for the image link path, you have to set featured image with ID to catch that specific product, of course, but after ID, you have to type :badge. As soon as you do so, you will see that badges will be displayed on the image. And now, if you switch the Style tab, Badge tab, you will notice all these fancy styling settings for badges. That's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I explain one of the most powerful Betheme features added in version 28, global styles. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.